Nak teruskan untuk pair EJ, GJ.
Okay, EJ ya. Okay.
Actually NJ pun tak turun lagi ni.
Sebab kalau UJ kan last week dengan 2 minggu lepas kita dah
Yes,
bagi tahu ataupun
betul.
generally kalau UJ naik ke atas, okay, there is a no ataupun very little chance GJ, EJ, NJ akan turun ataupun even AJ lah, okay. Semua Japanese yen pair ni sebab ni semua cross pair, okay. Kalau UJ naik ke atas, this is a major pair, okay. Dia akan ke atas lah, kecuali any of these currencies is really very weak against US dollar, but normally the weakness is more ataupun the strength will be more on this Japanese yen versus because these currencies unlike kalau contoh macam GJ kalau ada Brexit then will be too weak ataupun too strong. Macam EJ ni kalau European Union kalau interest rate ataupun any ECB punya QE policy then will be too weak ataupun too strong. AJ, NJ ni selalunya depend on the Chinese apa orang kata economic data ataupun dia punya own interest rate data. Otherwise selagi UJ masih ke atas, semua pair ni akan ke atas. Kalau UJ ke bawah, semua pair akan ke bawah. Okay, so all this U, G, E ni boleh dikatakan major. Of course Japanese yen pun major, tapi Japanese yen ni dia macam currency yang orang kata just ikut je. Tapi kebanyakan masa dia akan very weak kecuali kita ada perang ataupun kita ada geopolitical negative sentiment dan JPY akan jadi kuat lah. Tapi jarang-jarang JPY akan menjadi kuat. So kalau kita tengok UJ pun dalam weekly time frame daripada bawah berapa 100 almost 100 okay. Daripada 102 sekarang ni dekat 122. Maknanya dekat almost berapa pip ni? 2000 pip. Okay. So dia dah naik. Okay. So selalunya Japanese yen ni dia terlalu weak ataupun terlalu kuat. Tapi terlalu kuat tu jarang-jarang berlaku kecuali masa tu ada orang kata some negative news lah dalam market. Okay, so back to GJ. First we look at GJ. GJ hari tu sama juga kita kata 158. I think 158 will be the resistance. Kita kata maybe buat double top ataupun triple top. Tapi sebab UJ terlalu kuat, we saw samalah almost dalam 200 ataupun yang ni 300 pip lah. Almost 160 berapa tu? Ataupun 400 pip dia naik. Sekejap saya tengok daripada bawah ni. Kalau saya ambil daripada sini pun almost dalam 400 close to 500 pip dia naik kalau saya ambil daripada time minggu lepas lah. Okay. So dia punya move almost double daripada UJ. Okay. So itu yang membuatkan ramai mungkin MC lah dekat GJ ni. Sebab dia punya move almost 2 kali ganda daripada move UJ. Sebab kita kata dia akan buat triple top dekat sini kan 158. Tapi dia breakout tak bagi chance langsung. Tak ada pullback. Tengok dari 158 dia pergi ke almost 160 150. Maknanya dekat 350 pip to be exact. Okay. So itu adalah dia punya move yang terlalu kuat. Okay. Sebab GBP pun kuat. Okay. And UJ pun naik ke atas. So it's a multiplier effect lah. So GJ naik almost double dia punya effect. Okay. So kalau kita tengok dekat 4 hourly, kita macam nampak ada sedikit macam ada rejection sedikit. Okay. Dia turun almost daripada 151 to almost 159.80 dalam berapa tu 10 pip 160 pip atau 150 pip dia turun lah. Okay, so with that I think we probably can expect sama macam UJ, we probably expect this move lah. bit of a correction. I think this siapa yang trade macam ABC punya pattern ataupun M pattern, okay. So this will be clear pattern A, B, C, okay. Ataupun orang kata head and shoulders ni adalah left shoulder, right shoulder, okay. That pattern ataupun you guys want to call it QML, Quasimodo, okay, semua lebih kurang sama je bunyi dia. Yang penting kita nampak macam ada rejection kat resistance lah, okay. So that what it means, okay. So my prediction, okay, I think at this point ataupun first 2-3 days next week, GJ will probably make a bit of a correction atau pullback back to maybe 159, okay, at this support at least, okay. Beyond that maybe correction and breakout untuk sampai ke sini this zone ataupun dia masih ke atas baru turun. That means it make a double top baru dia punya resistance ataupun support come back for the third time dekat sini lah at 159. Okay, but I'm more of this move lah. Breakout, pullback ni. So I'm more on this move for GJ. Then from here maybe breakout, then goes here. Okay. So this will be saya punya move lah for the next 1 month. Okay, so ini untuk GJ. Quickly we look at NJ. EJ dulu. Okay, semua trendline dia dah breakout. Okay, I think EJ dia dah buat I think new high. Okay, ya betul. Okay, so EJ dia breakout, dah tak buat apa kata double top, dia dah pergi break. So the next, okay, so next resistance is looking at almost about 136. Okay, ataupun beyond that is about 137.50. So dia ada dua level. Okay, satu adalah dekat 136, mid 136, and then next one will be mid 137. Okay, so still ada lebih kurang dalam 200 lebih pip. Okay, tapi sama macam tadi saya beritahu, I think Japanese yen probably will take a bit of a breather. So this move macam hari tu apa COVID berlaku, dia naik ke atas lah. Lebih kurang macam itulah dia punya move. So we probably expect this, sebab dia punya move ni berapa pip ni? Almost 1000 pip. Okay, jarang-jarang berlaku 1000 pip in one go. Okay, even dulu berlaku kat sini. Okay, saya rasa maybe we probably can expect this move. Maknanya dia drop balik. Sekejap berapa dia drop? Almost 500. Maknanya we probably expect but at this point I don't expect 50% of drop. Maybe kita boleh expect somewhere kat sini lah. Maybe 132 ataupun 131. Somewhere kat sini. Fibo 23 ataupun Fibo 38. So maknanya kalau 132 we are talking about 200 pips. Kalau Fibo 38 we are talking about 131, that means about 300 pips. Okay, so we discount this first out. At least look for 150 to 200 pips. Sama macam UJ tadi kita bagi tahu 150 to 200 pips punya retracement. Okay, so for this I think EJ also probably we can expect at least about 200 pips. So but if you want to be on the safer side, go for about 150 pips. That means around 132.50 lah. 132.50 will be sitting somewhere dekat sini. That means the previous resistance. So that means we can take out this concept. That means it break out this resistance. So then come back and pull back. Okay, before they continue again lah. So I think typically kalau kita ambil resistance, dia break out, dia akan pull back kan. So sama macam tu. So maknanya we are looking at this zone at least about 132. Okay, Bun. This was the
Okey, baik.
EJ. Quickly
Betul,
we
cikgu.
look at NJ lah. Ada satu kan? NJ lagi.
Yes. Oh.
Okay, NJ kalau nampak kat sini, hari tu kita kata letak type stop loss. Kalau siapa yang letak stop loss, kira okey lah. Tapi siapa yang tak letak stop loss, berapa pip dia naik ni? Almost dekat 300 pip dia naik. Okay. So this is orang kata market memang kejam lah. Siapa yang kalau tak ada stop loss was orang kata terlalu strong last week. Okay. So sama macam semua pair ni, we will probably expect a bit of a retracement back to this broken resistance become a support. So maknanya we are looking at berapa level dia? 82.50. That means we are talking about 200 to 250 pips. Okay. Tapi if you are a bit reverse risk averse, then just go for under 50 pips only. Okay, that means at least bila dah sampai dekat 83.30, 83.40, just take profit lah. Tapi kalau you masih boleh hold sampai sini, sampai 200 pip, that's actually quite good lah. Okay, kalau you boleh hold. So market looking like breakout and pullback and resistance become support. Okay, so I think looking at the chart, I think it can go beyond 200 or 300 pips. That means slightly deeper. Okay, sebelum dia naik ke atas lah. Okay, this might be the move. So this move, whether it's happen, orang kata quite sharp ataupun dia move macam sideways lah, sikit-sikit turun. Okay, ataupun dia turun orang kata curam. But I don't think dia akan turun ni lah. So JPY currency right now is still weak. Okay, ataupun very weak. So we probably expect this shallow correction lah. Maknanya turun sikit. Tapi di direction sama lah. It's a very unlike macam ni, JPY terlalu lemah. Okay, that's why we saw this move. So kita expect this kind of ni lah. Turun, naik, turun, naik, turun, naik. This move macam ni, macam gergaji lah. Okay, turun, naik, turun, naik, turun, naik. Okay, sampai ke sini. Something like that. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk pair UJ, EJ, GJ dan juga NJ ya.